Now let's understand, since this is a Google Colab, there are some system commands as well which you can use to like those are kind of shortcuts for many common system operations. Yeah, Colab code cell supports this feature. Now, like the simple, uh, I can have a simple command like this. Let me write it. Let me scroll this up so that you can see it. Add some more lines. Okay. Now I can say for a system command to take place, I'll say message is equal to uh, a great tutorial on Colab by eyes can analyze. Yeah, suppose, right? Okay. Yeah, I have this code where I have a message. I can say, so there is a system command called echo. Yeah, and I'll ask it to use the message. Yeah, and again it will I'll ask to enter and give one more. Repeat the same message. Yes, and I'll try to print the greeting. So anything that is available in the greeting will be shown. Let me see if I've made some mistake here. Message still here. Anything? Okay. Okay. It should ideally, instead of message, here, it should ideally show this entire sentence, which is provided here. But why is it not showing? Just let me see that first. Uh, Give me 1 minute. We need to troubleshoot this. Work this way. This way. Yeah. See this? So we have the message been printed here. Yes. And echo. This is one of the system commands. This is very simple one, as you can see. Okay. Now, a complicated can be as good as cloning a GitHub repository. So suppose I have a GitHub repository of Keras, yeah, and if I want to clone it in my system, so I'll just I have this Keras tutorial, so I am just cloning it. I'm saying get clone HTTPS GitHub. So the idea behind doing this kind of exercise is to make you understand that there are some system commands which you can use uh, directly, and these are a part of Google Colab functionalities. Now, see, these are the only commands. How do I come to know what are the list of commands that I have? So I'll say list. So exclamation mark ls, and I'll say show me all the commands from the bin. So here you are. So these are all the system commands which are available in the repository which you can use. Yes. So these are all list of commands. There are lots of them. We cannot cover it. But as an information, you need to know so that there are some system commands which probably people don't use at all. But there are some system commands you can use it. Like this one that I have that we have used to clone the GitHub library. I do not want to have my libraries can see all my files, all my folders are automatically created here. Yes, if I go to the folder here on the left hand side section, I can see the entire Keras tutorial has been downloaded from GitHub. So I do not have to download one file at a time. So there are some system commands that make your life a bit simple, which you can use in Google Colab. So these are system commands.